I want you all to look into your screens. So symbol for multiplication is a cross. This is how you write multiplication. Now there are different ways of multiplying a number. So we'll look at the first one, which is repeated addition. So here, children, look carefully. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Basically, multiplications are tables. Okay, so this can be written using repeated addition method in this way. 5 plus 5 plus 5, where 5 is repeated 3 times, which will give you 15, or it can also be written as 3 repeated 5 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which also gives you 15. So, adding 3 5 times is 15, or adding 5 3 times is 15. So, this is the repeated addition method. The second method that we can use is making groups. Here we make groups. So, the same number 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. When we make groups, we take this number 3, okay, or 5. These are numbers which we group into. So, here the first example, I have taken 3 and made 5 groups. So, you can see group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4 and group 5, and in each group we have equal number, and that is this number 3. Understood? Or if I want to make 3 groups, I will add 5 in each group. Understanding? So now when we add up, what do we get? We get 15. See, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 will give you 15. Similarly, 5 plus 5 plus 5 will also give you 15. So this is your making groups method. I hope everything is clear. So we'll be moving further. Okay, children? And the third method is the method of array. That is same number which we used previously. We'll use the same number as an example. So 3 into 5 will give you 15. Right. So here we make rows with equal amounts in each one. So if you are taking 3, so 3 dots or 3 boxes or whatever you want to do, whatever designs you want to do, you have to write them 5 times. Okay. See. 1, 2, 3. How many times is it written? It is written 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. You're seeing 5. You can see this? Very nice. So if you are taking 5 as a number, if you're taking 5, so what you'll do? You'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots, 5 boxes, 5 triangles, whatever you want to do in 3 rows. On adding both these, we will get 15 as our answer. So this is the array method. Understood, children? So we are going to the next method, that is the number line method. Here basically we draw a number line. You can see number lines are drawn over here. I have 2 number lines to show you. See now 3 into 15, you start from 0, you start from the point 0, you go to number 3. You can see here number 3, I have gone directly to number 3. The same way you go 5 times. See from here you go once, twice, 3 times, 4 times and 5 times. And when you go 5 times, you reach your answer. Why only 5 times? Because 3 is multiplied by 5. If it was multiplied by 6, it will go further again. Understood? Now, if you use 5, if you are taking 5 as your base, then what you do is from 0, you go to 5. And the same thing you repeat 3 times. 3 times. Okay? From 0 to 5, 5 to 10 and 10 to 15. Or I'm sure everyone must have noticed that 3 into 5 is equal to 15, and similarly 5 into 3 is also 15. Okay, so in multiplication, even if the numbers are reversed, the answer remains the same. So now also any number when multiplied by 1 gives the same number. This is a very important fact in multiplication. So 4 into 1 will give you 4, 6 into 1 will give you 6, 21 into 1 will give you 21, 83 into 1 will give you 83, and so on. Okay. Another important fact, any number when multiplied by 0 always gives you 0. See, example 4, the same number 4, when it is multiplied with 0, the answer will always be 0. 6 into 0 will give you 0. 21 into 0 will give you 0. 83 into 0 will give you 0, and so on. It goes on and on and on. To learn multiplication, I would really like it that you all learn tables at least up to 10. For all those who know more than 10, good. Those who have not learnt till 10, please put some effort and learn till 10, because only when you know tables until 10, then you'll be able to solve all your multiplication sums. Okay children, so now we'll go with simple multiplication sums. Is the screen clear to all of you all? Okay, this is single digit multiplication where you multiply single digits. There are just 1 digits on both the sides. 5 into 2 or 5 twos are. Second one, 9 sevens are or 9 into 7. The third one, 4 into 8. Fourth one, 3 into 9. The fifth one, 7 into 6. Sixth one, 4 into 7. Seventh one, 6 into 6. Eighth one, 2 into 0. Ninth one, 0 into 9. Tenth one, 8 into 1. First one, 5 into 2 is 10. 9 into 7 is 63. 8 into 4 or 4 into 8 is 32. 3 into 9 is 27. 7 into 6 is 42. 4 into 7 is 28. 6 into 6 is 36. 0 into 2 is, I just told you a few minutes back, anything when you multiply with 0 it becomes 0. So the answer is 0. 0 into 9 is again a 0. 8 ones are 8. So for all those who have got these answers correct, very, very good. Okay, now we'll be moving further. See, this is line. These are the multiplication. Those are written in lines, and these are written one below the other. So these are two ways that you can solve these sums. So now we'll look at the ones that is below. I'll repeat the question. I'll give you time to write down, solve these things, and then we'll check the answers. So the first one is 8 into 7. Or you can say the 11th one. Then the 12th one is 4 into 4. The 13th one is 9 into 4. 14th one is 5 into 5. 15th one is 6 into 3. 16th one is 3 into 5. 17th one is 2 into 7. 18th one is 8 into 5. 19th one is 9 into 9. We want first one. Okay. What is 8 sevens are? 8 sevens are is 56. Second one. Not second one, but the 12th one. 4 fours are 16. 9 fours are 36. 5 fives are 25. 6 threes are 18. 3 fives are 15. Very nice. 2 sevens are 14. 8 fives are 40. And the last one, 9 nines are, for all those who know 9 table, this will be very easy. 9 nines are 81. So these are your single digit multiplication. Now we go to your double digit or 2-digit multiplication. This is your level 2. Okay, so you just finished your level 1 and you all have gone to your level 2. So let's see how your level 2 goes. So now 2-digit. So we'll first learn the line method. Here what you do, 10 into 3. So this 3, first you multiply with the digit that is behind, the last digit. So 3 zeros are, your answer will be 0. And after that, you multiply it again to the first digit. So what is your answer? 3 ones are 3. Easy. Right? The second one will see the same way. What will do? 4. You will multiply it with 1. And what you get? 4 ones are 4. Good. Now again you take this 4 and multiply it with 2. 4 twos are 8. Now we look at the third one. Similar way, the third one. The numbers are 43 and 6. So what you'll do? 6. You will multiply with 3 first. And when you multiply with 3, what do you get? 6 threes is? What is 6 threes are? 6 into 3 is 18. All this while we got single digit. But now suddenly we got a double digit. So now what we have to do? We have to do carry over method. How you will do it? The 18 that you got, out of this 18, what will you do? You will write this 8 over here. Understood? The 8 comes here and this 1 that is remaining will go as a carryover in the front at the first digit. The 1 will go in front. If you don't understand, I'll repeat it again. So please pay attention. Second step is you multiply 6 with 4. You multiply 6 with 4. 6 fours are is? 6 fours are 24. Correct? Yes. 6 fours is 24. But you can't just write 24 over here, can you? No. Why? Because you have another carryover digit over here. So 24 plus this one will give you 25. So this is your answer. Understood? Do you want me to show another one? I'll show you another one and I'll give you the last one to solve on your own. So see, 7 threes are. What is 7 threes are? 7 threes are is 21. 21. So out of the 21, 1 you will take it over here. And what you do? You give 2 as carryover over here. Understood? 7 threes is 21. So the digit that is behind, the second digit will come over here. The first digit, that is 2, gets carried over. Now 7 sevens are. What is 7 sevens are? 7 sevens are is 49. 7 7 is 49. So you can't write 49 over here. What you have to do? 49 plus this 2. Never forget the carryover. 49 plus 2 will be 51. Easy? Can you do this one? And then I'll tell you the answer for this. I'll give you just 30 seconds or more than enough for you. Okay? Or even less. You all are very smart children. Finish? Okay, we'll just start this. So what are the numbers? 34 into 5. So now the 5, you will multiply it first with 4. What is 5 4s? 20. 5 4s is 20. So 2 and 0. So what will come over here? You'll get 0 over here and 2 gets carried over further on 3. So now 5 into 3. What is 5 3s? 5 3s is 15. 15. Will you just write 15 over here? No, you cannot write 15 over here. What you have to do? You have to add this. You have to add this 2. So 15 plus 2, which is equal to 17. So for all those who got this answer correct, I'll give 2 stars. Now we look at the method where the numbers are written one below the other. Okay, now we'll begin. What will you do first? First you will take 4 and you will multiply with 3. 4 3s are 12. Right? In your book, you have to make a rough area sideways where you can solve all your things in rough. So 1 goes up and 2 comes down. Next what you do? You multiply 4 with 6. 6 4s is 24 plus 1 will give you 25. Okay? Now we go to the next sum. Same way, 7 5s are. First you multiply these two. 7 5s is 35. So you will write 3 on top and 5 below. Now you go to the next digit. 5 2s is 10. Don't forget the 3. So when you add 3, 10 plus 3 will become 13. 8th one. Same way. What you do? 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 3 2s are 6. No carryover for this. Right? And what is 9 3s are? 9 3s is 27. Okay? Now we are going to the 9th one. 6 2s are 12. 1 carryover. 2 below. Then now 2 1s is 2 plus 1 3. Clear till here? Now I want you to solve these two sums for this, and then you can check whether your answers are correct. So start multiplying. Okay, I'm assuming that you all have finished solving this. For all those who have not finished, please pause the video and solve. So 6 3s are, what we'll do? First we'll multiply 6 with 3. 6 3s is 18. Correct? Then what you do? You multiply 6 with 4. 6 4s are 24. Or 4 6 is also 24. 24 plus 1. 25. The next one. 8 fives are. What is 8 fives are or 5 eights are? 8 fives are or 5 eights are is 40. 4 on top. 0 down. Whatever number. Now 8 threes are is. What is 8 threes are? 24. 8 threes are is 24. For that 24 you need to add another 4. So you get 280. So how many of you all got these answers correct? Okay children, so if you all got these answers correct, don't forget to put stars for yourself. Now we go to the third level, level 3 of your multiplication. These are again 2-digit multiplication, but we had just 1 digit over here. Alright, we had 1 digit. Now we went one step higher, or you can say one level above. So when you go to the higher level, what happens? The game becomes tougher and tougher, right? Similarly, here also the multiplication will become difficult. So now we'll solve this one and we'll see how it goes. The same method you will use. So what you will do is, first you'll multiply 1 with 4. 4 ones are, the answer is 4. Next you multiply 1 with 5. 5 ones are, the answer is 5. But here the most important step, what you're supposed to do is, the area below this number, you're supposed to keep it either blank, you either put a cross, a plus, a 0, whatever you want to put, but this area is blank. Okay, and this is supposed to be considered as 0. Nothing is there. So what you do? You go to the second digit now. And the same thing repeats again. What happens? 1 will get multiplied with 4 first. So 1 4 is 4. You won't write that 4 here. Nothing is supposed to be written below this number. You will write 4 below your 5. Okay? Now again 1 will get multiplied with your 5. So what happens? 1 5s are 5, and that 5 will come over here, and there is a plus sign over here. Now the space that we have left empty, this is supposed to be considered as 0. So 4 plus 0 will be 4. You can also write 0 over there, no harm. 5 plus 4 will give you 9, and 5 will come below. Understood this one? We'll see another one. Okay, for your better understanding, we'll see another one. 4 into 3. So what will be 4 into 3? 4 3 is 12. So now you have a carryover. What you do? 1 on top, 2 below. Now you have to multiply 4 with 6. 6 4 is 24. So 24 plus 1 will give you 25. So the moment your 1 is used up, okay, I want you all to cancel this, because this will interfere with your second number that you are using. Okay? So now what you do, this place will be either blank or a plus or a cross or a 0. So for your convenience, you all can put a 0 also. But please see what your teachers are teaching you in your school, okay? Because different teachers have different methods of teaching. If your teacher is telling you all to keep it blank, you'll keep it blank, a cross, a plus, a 0, whatever your teacher is telling you, please follow those steps. Now, you look at your second digit. The first digit is very easy. We can do it, right? We have seen how to do it. Now, the second digit, the tricky digit. Same method with the second digit. What do you do? 2 into 3. First you multiply 2 with 3. 2 3s is 6. You have to write it here and not over here. Okay? This thing should be very clear. Never write anything below this number. Now again the same way, 2 will be multiplied by 6. So 2 6 is, what is 2 6? 12. And then you add these two numbers. These two numbers are supposed to be added. So when you add, what do you get? 2 plus 0 will be 2. 5 and 6 will be 11. 5 and 6 is 11. So 1 over here and 1 carry over. Over here or over here. Wherever you want to carry over, you can give it a carry over. Then 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 1 is 5 and then this 1. Don't get scared of these huge numbers. Do not get scared of the big numbers. They are very easy. You can easily do it. Now we'll go to the next one. 6 5s is 6 5s are 30. 3 0. Okay, 3 and 0. 6 4s is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. Now this place is either blank or 0. I prefer to put a 0. Now 1 5s are 5. 4 1s are 4. And then you add these. So when you add this, what happens? 0 plus 0 will be 0. 7 plus 5 will be 12. 2 and 1. 4, 5, 6 and 7. On addition, this is what you get. Now the next one. This one. 9 6 are. What is 9 6 are? 54. 9 6 is 54. So 5 on top, 4 below. 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23. And below this, a 0. Now 6 1s are 6. 2 1s are 2. This is cancelled because I have used this up. And I add this. And on adding, what do I get? 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 2 plus 2 is 4. Now I want you to solve these. Okay. First you solve this and then we can check the answers. Okay. So let's solve together. Why don't we solve it together? Okay. So 4 zeros are 0. 5 fours are 20. There is nothing ahead to put a carryover. Is there a digit that you can do carryover over here? No, you cannot. So you directly write it. Then a 0 below. Then 3 zeros are again 0. And 5 threes are is 15. So on adding, what do you get? 0, 0, 5 plus 2, 7 and 1. Those who got this answer correct, I'll put a star for you. Next one. 65 into 30. So again there's a 0 over here. Can you see this 0? So what do? 0 into 5 is 0. 0 into 6 is 0. Finish. Done. So now the next digit. So before multiplying the next digit, what is the most important step? Leaving this place blank. Okay, so that you cannot write anything over here. Next, 5 threes are. What is 5 threes are? 5 threes is 15. Am I right? 5 threes is 15. So what do? 1 over here and 5 below. Next, 6 threes are 18. Don't forget this one. So 18 plus 1 will be 19. And then you add this. So on adding, what do you get? 1950. 1950 and a star. Good. The next one. 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16. 0. 4 2s are again 8. And 8 2s are again 16. Addition, on adding you'll get 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 4 and 1 carry over 6, 7, 8. So 8 and 1. Now 6 5s are 30, 7 6 are 7 6 is 42, 43, 44, 45. Right, 42 plus 3, 45. I finished adding this, right? The moment I finish adding this, either I strike it or I circle it. So I have striked this. So now a 0 below. 5 4s is 20. So now I'll get a new carryover. 5 4s is 20, 0, 0 below. Then 7 4s is 7 4s are 28. And now I need to add these two, 28, 29, 30. So I cancel this. I get it 30 over here. Then I add these two numbers. And on adding what? 0, 5, 4, 3. And a star for all those children who are solving things along with me. Good job. So now the last one, that is 7 1s are 7, 1 1s are 1, 0, 7 7s are 7 7s are 49. So 4 carry over 9, 7 1s are 7, 7 1 7, 8 9 10, 11. Okay, I add these. 0 7, 9 plus 1 10, carry over 1 and 1 2 and 1. So here ends our level 3. See, you all finished level 3 of multiplication. Yeah. So now we are going to the next part. This is nothing but 3-digit multiplication. Here again the line system. Again the line system. So what you do? First you multiply 4 with 2. 4 2s are 8. Then you multiply 4 with 6. 6 4s are 24. 2 over here and 4 here. Now 4 2s are. Then next you multiply 4 with 2. Again 4 2s are is 8. Plus 2, 10. Simple? So basically you have to keep multiplying from behind. The next one. 8 5s are 40. 4 over here and a 0. 8 zeros are 0. So what remains is 4. So wherever you get 8 zeros is 0, you don't just write a 0. If it has a carryover, children, if there's a carryover, you have to add that number. Okay, see, 8 zeros is 0 plus 4 will give you 4, right? So you have to add 4. Now 8 4s are, what is 8 4s are? 8 4s is 32. 3 and 2. The next one. 5 2s are 10. 0. Carry over 1. 3 2s are, what is 3 2s are? 6. 1 7. 2 1s are 2. Next. 7 2s are 14. So 1 over here and 4 over here. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. So 2 over here and 2 over here. 7 6 is 42. So 42 plus 2 will give you, 42 plus 2 is 44. Now 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. And 9 3s are 27. Now the same way how we did the 2-digit multiplication, we are going to do the 3-digit multiplication. I have only now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 3 2s are is 6. Understood this? The first digit you multiply with all 3. Then what you do? 0. And now you take the second digit and multiply it the same way. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, and 1 threes are 3. Then you add this, and on adding what you get? 2 plus 8, and then you get 3. Next one. 4 threes are 12. So 1 and 2. 4 zeros are 0. So will you write 0 over here? No. There's a carryover over here, right? So when there is a carryover, you have to add that number below. And 4 fours is 16. Now a 0 over here. Then the same thing. So you did this, right? The same thing you do with 2. 3 twos are 6. 2 zeros are 0. Why 0 over here? Because there's no carryover for 2 threes are. Is there? No. This is the carryover for 4. So now 4 twos are is 8. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 0 is 6. And 8 plus 1 is 9 on addition. So now we go to the third one. 4 zeros are 0. 4 fours are 16. So 1 and 6. 6 fours are is 24 and 25. Another 0 below. It's a compulsory 0. And 5 zeros are again a 0. Then 5 fours are is 20. Since you have used up this, 5 fours is 22 and 0. 6 fives is 30 plus 2, 32. And then you add these, and then your answer will be 0, 6, 5, 4, 3. Wow, see, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 0. The last one. 9 twos are 18. So 1 and 8. 9 sevens are 63 plus 1. 63 plus 1 is 64. So what you do? 6 comes over here and 4 comes below. 9 fives are 45. So 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 and 51. How much? 51. So when you add this 6, it comes up to 51. So then you add a 0 or a plus. 3 twos are 6. 7 threes are 21. 7 threes is 21. So 2 will get carried over on your 5, not on your 7. Because it is carrying forward, right? 7 threes will be 21. So 2 here, 1 here. 5 threes is 15. 16, 17. Okay? Now add this. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1, 2, 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Level 4. Which level was this? Level 4. So we cleared level 4. So today we learned 4 levels of multiplication. So now for all of you, I have this homework. I want you to complete this homework. I have given you 15 sums. I have given you 15 sums. These are written in line. Okay, these are written like this in a line, but you can write it one below the other and solve these. Take a screenshot so that it becomes easier for you to write. And thank you for being with me till the end of the video. And I hope you all have understood multiplication. And see you next time with a new video. All the best and bye.